Listen carefully. If you have dreams, but people laugh, this message is for you. Welcome to JA Info Urdu. If you want confidence, English power, and a strong mindset, subscribe now. This story can protect your dreams. Many beginners learn English with hope. They want change. They want respect. But one mistake breaks their energy. They share their plans too early. This topic matters. Because dreams are fragile, and words can destroy them. Let me tell you a real lifestyle story. There was a girl like you. She was learning English slowly. Very slowly. Every day, she listened. Every night, she practiced. One day, she felt proud. She felt strong inside. She told people, "I will speak English fluently. I will change my life." Some smiled. Some laughed. Some said, "You can't do it." Those words entered her heart. She started to doubt. She missed practice. She felt heavy. Her dream became quiet. Months later, she met another learner. This boy was silent, very focused. He did not talk about plans. He just worked. Every day. No noise, no show. 1 year later, he was speaking English confidently. People were shocked. He smiled and said, "I worked when no one was watching." That moment changed everything. Here is the lesson. When you share plans too early, you lose energy. Talking gives fake satisfaction. Working gives real results. Now listen step by step. First, protect your dream. Your dream is not for everyone. Some people don't understand growth. Silence keeps your focus strong. Second, let results speak. Don't tell people what you will do. Show them what you did. Success is loud. Words are weak. Third, use that energy. When you don't talk, you save power. That power goes into practice. Listening. Learning. Now change your mindset. Believe quietly. You don't need approval. You don't need claps. Your belief is enough. Now action. Even when tired, you listen. Even when confused, you listen. Small actions daily. Build strong confidence. Now discipline. Motivation talks. Discipline works. Discipline wakes you up. Discipline keeps you moving, even when no one supports you. Now ask yourself, why do I need to explain my dream? Who am I trying to impress? What if I just work silently? Think deeply. Your future does not need permission. Now feel this moment. Imagine 1 year later. You understand English. You speak without fear. People ask, how did you do it? And you smile, because you know, you stayed silent. You stayed focused. You stayed strong. Dreams grow in silence. Noise kills progress. Right now, choose silence. Choose effort. Stop announcing. Start building. Subscribe to JA Info Urdu. And walk this journey quietly with me. Remember this. Work in silence. Let success make the noise.